So the first program that I'd like to share with you is called Active Presenter. What you are seeing now actually is recorded by the Active Presenter. So basically, Active Presenter able to record your screen, whatever movement that you're doing with your screen, your picture, your video is your option whether you want to on it, and also your live voice recording as well. Then straight away it can allow you to do the editing before you save as a final versions of the Active Presenter. So it can be downloaded for MacBook and also for the Microsoft for free. Okay, so whenever you click to the Active Presenter, I need to use a screenshot because I'm using the program. You just need to click on the record video over here. Okay, then everything then is automatically started. Then until you want to stop it. Okay, the next thing I would like to share with you all is the EndNotes. It had to be a version X9 and also above, I believe. Okay, so one thing that I would like to share is something similar, right? What Hsien mentioned just now. How do you use the feature to find the manuscript that match the journal that match your manuscript? It's called a manuscript matchers. It's a feature in the EndNotes as well. So what I usually do is I ask my the MO to send me the abstract that have prepared and also whatever journal that they have downloaded as their reference to prepare the things. Okay, so what we need to do is usually using the Microsoft Office is much easier with the EndNotes, because what you need to do is you just need to use the folder of your journal, then you just select everything of it and then drop it to the import reference. Okay, so automatic they will go over the side. Even sometimes the MacBook also allow you to do so as well. So after that, what you need to do is, you know, this few thing is the one that regarding the similar manuscript. You just need to select it, and then what you need to do is you add all this reference to create a group. Okay, so I create a group. Okay, then I name the group is a new group. You can name it as well, so you can know that this is regarding the retinitis pigmentosa. Okay, so what I do next is right click. There is a manuscript matcher over this side. Okay, so straight away you link you to the internet actually in the website. Okay, also by the WOS, but slightly different from what the Hsien showed just now is besides using your title and also abstract that you're going to fill in, you're also using your citation and also the reference from your during your preparations. So I think this will be able to fine tune your search for the manuscript as well. So what I usually do is I just need to copy and paste. So I'm not using this anymore. Then I just copy and paste of all the abstract, that have been prepared. So I just copy and paste. Okay. So for the abstract, usually you don't really follow certain format as long as the it's not too long or too short, I believe. Because last time during a workshop, I asked them, what is the algorithm they use during this so-called manuscript matcher? I think even the presenter not so sure, because but they believe you're using some deep learning program that become a confidential in their program as well. Okay, so I just find a journal. So hopefully they're able to detect whatever. Sometimes you may not able to find a journal, they have no result. I think mainly because of the process of copy and paste, there's some mistake, like too much of spacing or whatever. You just need to redo it again. So after that, then you're able to find how many journal that they suggest to you. The first one will be the thing that is matched the most, okay? But you also at the end, it really depends on us whether you want to aim to very high or you the thing that you want to aim depends on the, and also the only thing is sometimes some of the journal may not really accept the case report, except that your title is written very well. There is a case report. So usually they will suggest to you the thing that really accept the case report. So I think we believe we still need to go to the journal website to see whether this is suitable or not. So if use the internet one, like what Hsien mentioned, it's also use the title and abstract. Also, it go to the same process and also the same result. The only thing is you're unable to add in the citation and reference that you already use it, which is able to help you to fine tune the journal. Okay, that's all for my sharing. So after I finish recording all these things, what I need to do is I just need to go back to my Active Presenter. I'm using a MacBook, so this is the format in the MacBook. I just need to stop it. Okay, stop it, and then automatically you transfer me to the program itself for me to edit, to see back, and also to adjust even my picture as well, how big I want my picture be at, and also which location that I want it to be. That's all.